India is only a country that celebrates many colorful festivals on different occasions. Harvest festivals are also from them. The people of India celebrate many harvest festivals. These harvest festivals are celebrated with different names in different states of India. In our today's video, we are going to know about different harvest festivals that are celebrated in different states of India with their dates. So dear students, be ready and know these festivals one by one. You have tuned your favorite YouTube channel Primary Ke Pankh with Tarkeshwar Pandey. So stay tuned and know about these 10 harvest festivals, the name of states where these festivals are celebrated, and the date on which these festivals are celebrated. So enjoy this video and learn the name of different harvest festivals. Number 1. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and Pongal is celebrated on 17 January every year. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu on 17 January. Number 2. Lohri. Lohri is celebrated in Punjab. Lohri is celebrated in Punjab, and Lohri is celebrated on 13 January. Lohri is celebrated on 13 January. So Lohri is celebrated in Punjab on 13 January. Number 3. Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Onam is celebrated in Kerala, and Onam is celebrated on 23 August. Onam is celebrated on 23 August. So Onam is celebrated in Kerala on 23 August. Number 4. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in North India. Makar Sankranti is celebrated in North India. Makar Sankranti is celebrated on 14 or 15 January. So you can say easily that Makar Sankranti is celebrated in North India on 14 or 15 January. Number 5. Bihu. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Bihu is celebrated on 15 January. So you can say that Bihu is celebrated in Assam on 15 January. Number 6. Nuakhai. Nuakhai is celebrated in Odisha. Nuakhai is celebrated in Odisha. Nuakhai is celebrated on 11 September. So we can easily say that Nuakhai is celebrated in Odisha on 11 September. Nuakhai is celebrated on 11 September. Number 7. Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is celebrated in Maharashtra. Gudi Padwa is celebrated in Maharashtra. Gudi Padwa is celebrated on 13 April. So we can say that Gudi Padwa is celebrated in Maharashtra on 13 April. Number 8. Vangala. Vangala is celebrated in Meghalaya and Assam. Vangala is celebrated in Meghalaya and Assam. Vangala is celebrated on 13 November. Vangala is celebrated on 13 November. So we can easily say that Vangala is celebrated in Meghalaya and Assam on 13 November. Number 9. Ugadi. Ugadi is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Ugadi is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Ugadi is celebrated on 13 April. Ugadi is celebrated on 13 April. So we can easily say that Ugadi is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka on 13 April. Next harvest festival is number 10, Vishu. Vishu is celebrated in Kerala and Karnataka. Vishu is celebrated in Kerala and Karnataka. Vishu is celebrated on 14 April. Vishu is celebrated on 14 April. So we can easily say that Vishu is celebrated in Kerala and Karnataka on 14 April. So in this video, we have known total 10 harvest festivals with the name of states and with the date of these festivals. We will meet again in the next video with a new concept. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye.